Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next set of stretches is called the shoulder series. We're going to have DEANNA roll her shoulders either forward or back with big circles, about 7 to 10 times, forward or backwards, really getting those muscles moving. Part 2 to the shoulder series is she's going to rotate her arms forward, alternating above and below, over and under. Excellent. And then the third part of this is lifting an arm over and assisting as you rotate to the opposite side. This is a great stretch for the tricep muscles as well as the latissimus dorsi. Great shoulder warm-up set of exercises. Perfect. Thanks, Dee. All right, this next set of stretches is also for the shoulders. There's 3 parts to it. The first part, we're going to gently pull one arm across the body with the assistance of our other hand, holding for 10 to 15 seconds. Part 2 to this is lifting that same arm overhead and assisting with the hand as you laterally tilt to the other side. And the third movement is behind the body, again assisting that arm. Shoulder joint is supported by the rotator cuff muscles. So important to warm those up before physical activity and after a long day at the office. Good job, Dee. This next set of stretches is called the upper trap stretch. What we're going to do is tilt our head to one side with the assistance of our hand, and take the other hand behind our back, hold this stretch for 7 to 15 seconds, and then turn our nose to the armpit of that same side and hold for 7 to 15 seconds. And we're going to do the other side as well. Exactly. Tilting ear to one side, lateral flexion, 7 to 15 seconds, and then nose to the armpit, to the same side armpit. The trapezius muscles get really tight when you're behind a computer and in front of a desk. A lot of people hold tension around their trapezius muscles. Good job, Dee. This next stretch I like to call the itchy back stretch. It's a great way to warm up the internal and external rotators. So we're going to have Dee reach her 2 hands together behind her back and try to approximate and gently pull. One hand up and one hand down. Great. You always want to switch sides. You'll find that one side is a lot stronger and more flexible than the other. And that's called the itchy back stretch. Thanks, Dee. This stretch is also called the itchy back stretch, but this time with a little bit of assistance. If you have a stick or a towel at home, what you're going to do is, again, reach behind your back and bring your hands together as you reach up and down. This is a great exercise working on the internal and external rotators around the shoulder. And if you're like me, you're going to need this assistance. Good job. Keep breathing through all of these stretches. Well done, Dee.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.